Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sumitra, Head of the Department of First Year ECE. I am here to share my understanding of SNS Roadmap, a journey that transformed not only my classroom but also my perspective on education itself. There was a time when my world revolved around lesson plan, chalk, and the clock that ticked from one period to another. I made my lesson, notes, and my students the rhythm that rarely changed. But somewhere along the way, I began to feel that teaching was not enough. Something was missing, and not in my classroom, but in a way I connected with the learning itself. And that's why ASNS entered my history. At first, I began hearing a new word echoing through our corridor: design thinking, 3P culture, innovation, 7 plus 7, and Gen AI enabled. They sounded like a buzzword at first, but soon I realized these were not just a word, they were the window into a new way of thinking. SNS didn't just change my teaching, it changed my thinking. Through design thinking, I began to see my students not as a learner completing a syllabus, but as an individual with the stories, emotions, and dreams. I learned to empathize, to listen, and to redesign my teaching around their curiosity. Every activity became an experiment in empathy. Every feedback a moment of insight. Then become a 3P culture: purpose, process, and the people. It taught me that purpose gives direction, process gives structure, and people gives meaning. My lesson found purpose, and my teaching found process, and my students they found their people. The 3C framework followed attitude, logic, and technique. It becomes my mirror as an educator. For the first time, I began to evaluate not just what I thought, but how I thought. And then the heart of SNS revealed itself: the spine, the structure that supports everything we do. The skill and career development, a center for learning and teaching, center for creativity, industry institute partnership, and center for higher education. Each pillar guides us towards one shared vision to create a thinker, innovator, and the leader who design their own future. The innovation of 7 plus 7 clubs and Gen AI enablement brought a new way of curiosity. My students began to explore beyond the textbook, building a prototype, collaborating across a discipline, and using AI not as a tool but as a partner in creation. I watched them transform from passive learner into an active innovator, from a learner to a problem solver, and from a dreamer into a dogger. And as I guided them, something inside me shifted too. I was not just as a teacher anymore. I became a co-creator in their learning journey. The more I walked this path, the clearer the SNS roadmap became. It's not just a plan or a process, it's a philosophy. It connects every idea, every department, every learner into one long living, breathing the ecosystem of innovation. From design thinking to Gen AI, from empathy to entrepreneurship, every step is a part of a purpose, large purpose, to become an education, experimental, emotion, and empowering. Today, I see the education differently. It's not just about transforming the knowledge, it's about transforming the mind. It's about turning the curiosity into creativity and a classroom into a catalyst of change. That's what SNS taught me. That's what the SNS roadmap stands for. from chaos to clarity, from process to purpose, from teaching to transformation. That is my journey, and that's our journey. SNS didn't just redefine the education, it redefined me. Because here we don't just educate, we innovate. And that is the heart of SNS roadmap understanding. Thank you.